Guys, have you ever been speaking English and suddenly the sentence didn't write to here? Like, the frog beat the lion. It's impossible, right, for a frog to beat a lion. So, that means the word order is incorrect. So, here I will discuss about syntax. Don't forget to watch until the end ya guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Atikatul Sarida. I'm a student of State Islamic University of Madura and I'm from English Teaching Department. Okay guys, like this. Imagine you have a small blocks. Then the small blocks you arrange it randomly. So the result will be shapeless. But if you arrange the small blocks it regularly, the result will be perfect. So it's same guys, like syntax. Syntax is study of how the word combine to form a sentence. Or like this guys. Syntax is the rule that regulate the structure of sentence in language. Why is syntax important for us to learn? The reason there are three guys. The first is syntax can disappear meaning. Syntax is the key to understand the meaning of sentence. Like this guys. For example, you write some word in sentence, but you false the placement. The placement of object and subject. For example, like this. The frog beat the lion. Impossible, right? The frog will beat the lion. So the right answer is the lion beat the frog. So the syntax it can disappear the meaning. Okay guys. The second is why is syntax is important to us? Because syntax is mastering our communication. Learning syntax make our communication clearly and enjoyable to hear. For example, like this, the book was read by me. That's in passive form. We change into active form. I read the book. So it's easier, right, to understand. I read the book. Then the book was read by me. The third is read endlessly. Syntax teach us with limited grammatical rules we can create an infinite number of sentences. For example, like this: a beautiful girl, the beautiful girl. We can add the detail like the beautiful girl who smiled sweetly, like that. Okay, next, the important point in syntax. There are three important points in syntax that are subject, verb, and object. A sentence is constructed from a various phrase. Namely, the first is verb phrase, the second is noun phrase, and the third is prepositional phrase. The first is noun verb. Noun verb is a group of words that the main word is noun. For example, the big brown dog. So the main word is dog. The second is verb phrase. Verb phrase is a group of words that the main word is verb. For example, will eat. So will eat is the main word. Okay, next, the third is preposition phrase. Preposition phrase is a group of words that the main word is phrase. For example, on the table. On is the main word is a phrase. Besides it, we also have to understand the word classes, namely part of speech. I'm sure you have known part of speech like verb, pronoun, preposition, and verb, and adjective, and another. Okay, next. There is grammatical function which explain the rule of a word or phrase in sentence. That are subject, direct object, indirect object, and the last is modifier. Modifier is like additional information, like information of the place, information of time, and another information. Okay, next is sentence. Do you know what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that has subject, predicate, and object. Every sentence usually formed from one or more clause. Sentence type based on clause. There are two. The first is independent clause. The second is dependent clause. What is independent clause? Independent clause is a clause that can stand alone in sentence. For example, the boy is reading. The second is dependent clause. That is a clause cannot stand alone and usually begin from subordinating conjunction like while, although, if, and another. For example, although it was raining and blah blah blah, usually there is a next word. Okay guys, now let's practice analyzing sentence of syntax.
Watching you stand alone, heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to
The student thesis is
watching
sentence.
you stand
The student thesis. The student thesis is noun phrase. And read old book thesis is verb phrase. And this is that the. So this is student. Student is noun. Student. This is read. Read is a verb. Verb. This is the old book. The old book. This is noun phrase. And this is a date. And all this is all is adjective. Adjective. All. And this is a book. This is noun. Noun. So this is. Can you see guys? Okay guys, I think enough from this explanation. I hope this is useful for you all and me, and I apologize for my mistake. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.